Greetings from the basement. I just got a box from Japan. Probably my last box from Japan because of tariffs and the shipping. But let's see what's inside of it. As far as I remember, there's 2 Bandai Ultraman toys. Oh man, this is cool. This is a cool Bandai Ultra 500 fading Ultraman. I'm not sure if this was one of the standard ones or a special color, but that's cool. Also, I don't remember what episode this is. That's pretty cool. And this, usually I don't get only 2 things from Japan, but whatever. I couldn't get this through my normal supply. This is cool. Look at this. I didn't expect it would come in a bag. Oh, shoot. Special color orb. We got name in here. Maybe orb? I should know my Ultraman better. Oh, shit. And since I'm fried, I don't know which Ultraman is which. I should know, but I don't. I only have like 9 million Ultraman, and I still don't know which is which. But anyway, I think it's Ultraman Trigger with armor and orb. But I'll write it in the comments, or I'll write it in the description of this video. Anyway, that's pretty cool. All right, that's about it.